Paint is a liquid substance that, when applied to a surface, forms a solid film or coating. Its primary purpose is to protect, decorate, or add color to surfaces such as walls, buildings, furniture, and more. Paint consists of pigments, binders, solvents, and additives. Pigments. These are finely ground colored particles that give paint its color. Pigments can be organic or inorganic. Binders. Also known as resins, binders are the components that hold the pigments together and adhere them to the surface after the paint dries. They also contribute to the paint's durability and flexibility. Solvents. Solvents are liquids that help keep the paint in a liquid form, making it easier to apply. They evaporate as the paint dries, leaving the pigments and binders on the surface. Additives. Additives are additional components that enhance specific properties of the paint, such as drying time, flow, and texture. They can also provide additional protection against factors like mold or UV radiation. The manufacturing process of paint involves mixing these components in precise ratios to achieve the desired color, texture, and performance. The process may vary based on the type of paint being produced. Some common types of paint include oil-based paints. These use oil as a binder and can provide a durable, glossy finish. They take longer to dry and have a strong odor due to the solvents used. Water-based or latex paints. Water is the primary solvent in these paints, making them easier to clean up and less odorous than oil-based paints. They dry faster and are commonly used for interior walls. Enamel paints. These are oil-based or water-based paints with a hard, glossy finish. They are often used for surfaces that require durability, such as metal or wood. Acrylic paints. Water-based with acrylic binders. These paints dry quickly and are versatile. They are commonly used for artistic purposes, crafts, and interior walls. Latex paints. Often used as a term interchangeably with water-based paints, latex paints specifically refer to those that use synthetic latex as a binder. Epoxy paints. These are durable, chemical-resistant coatings often used for industrial and commercial applications, such as garage floors or metal surfaces. The choice of paint type depends on the surface being painted, the desired finish, and environmental considerations. Each type has its own advantages and disadvantages, and it's important to select the appropriate paint for a specific application. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell button for notifications. If you want to join in our short-term certificate or one-year diploma courses, please send your details to my WhatsApp number 9444929163. Thank you for watching.